Hello Year 10. In this video I'm going to show you how we can compare the quality of different schools in the state of Queensland. Now the reason we're going to do this is because in West End there is a public school, Brisbane State High School, that is known as one of the best schools in the state. It's one of the desirability factors that may have led to gentrification in the area. Remember, there could be more than one reason an area gets gentrified. This could be a big one. Many parents would like to move into the area to be in catchment in order to send their kids to one of the best schools in the state and send their kids essentially free of charge as it's a public school. So, we want to try and prove that this school is one of the best. In order to do that, we can go to this website called My School. On this website, we can just search for Brisbane State High School. And if you search for Brisbane State High School, you'll be able to find it here. We view the school profile. On here, you can see things like attendance and finances. You can have a look at their NAPLAN scores, and you can here change the year to see how all of these statistics have changed over time. Here as well, we can see the student background. This score here, the Index of Community Socio-educational Advantage score, is really important. The average score is 1,000. Basically, this is a score that shows how well off the people who go to your school are. There is a very, very strong relationship between how wealthy or well off a family is and how well the students or kids in that family will go at school academically. A very strong relationship. What we see is that the average is 1,000. This school has 1157, which is very, very high. Here we can see a breakdown of these statistics. They have distributed these the students into a bottom, middle, quarters, and top quarter. Basically, are they the bottom 25% in terms of wealth? Are they families bottom 25% in terms of wealth in Australia? Is it the next 25% in the middle quarters, or are they a part of the top quarter, the richest 25% in the country? We can see that for Brisbane State High School, in the top quarter, there is 69% of the students at the school are a part of the 25% wealthiest in the country. As we go through the years, we can see this statistic slightly change. What we're going to do is graph just this statistic. So we just want to graph the top quarter of people within, um, so what percentage of students are within the top quarter of the socio-educational advantage score. Now, this only works if we compare it to another school within the area. We're going to compare this score with Ipswich State High School. If we find Ipswich State High School, we can have a look at how well off their school is. So we'll enter that. We go view school profile, and you can see that their top quarter has changed from nearly 70% in Brisbane to only 2%. Only 2% of the students in the entire school are a part of the 25% wealthiest in the country. If you are curious to check out Southport State High School, you can have a look and see how we rank. I think we're just above average, but this gives you a good indicator. You can see their score is quite low, 933. So, we are going to graph this. For you, I have already put all this in an Excel spreadsheet, which you can access just above this video on the QLD. All you have to do is go to Flourish for me. So, here we go. You can see I've already put in a lot of this data into Flourish. Here's the data. What you'll need to do is you just upload your data. So you upload it. Once you upload it, you'll see it should look like this. When you go to preview, it will look like this. Okay, so let me just quickly show you exactly how to do that. So we're going to go new visualization. You're going to go for the one that says bar chart. Click on that. You go to the data section. On the data, as always, we just remove this part. Right, we change that to Brisbane State High School. Change the other one to Ipswich. Oh, Ipswich State High School. Change the country to, what were we changing the country to? It would be something like top quarter ICSEA score. Okay, we need to change that to B and C values. And we need to upload our data. Hopefully this uploads. Cool, there we go. Preview, there it is. You would just have to, as always, create your title, create your axes labels. The source is my school, and then change the color so it blinks with all your other colors. You might even be able to change the thickness of your columns and stuff if you want to make it thinner, all that type of stuff. And then, as always, export it, put it into the body of your report. Thank you for watching.